Hey there, this is Yvette Vanderbrink, Vanderbrink Auctions, and I am down in Longview, Texas. And it's warmer down here and there is no snow. I hope it is all gone by the time I go back north. But anyway, we're on our first day of doing real inventory here. And so I just was going to just take a comment quick here and show you a few things. But we've really got some interesting things here. There is about 295 vehicles, and we're going to let you take them to rebuild. We're going to take them to restore, take them to make them into furniture. You can strip them right here. You can leave the bodies, whatever you want. But on April 21st, we're going to be selling the Rick Smith Cadillac collection. There is also a large assortment of other Buicks, Oldsmobile, Chrysler, DeSoto, a lot of Finn cars. We also have other pieces that are already pre-cut to make couches. There's about 17, 18 of them, and they're anywhere from quite a few 59 Cadillacs, 60 Cadillacs, 57 Lincoln, 57 DeSoto, and there's some of them right over here. And that's what Rick did before. He did sell some parts occasionally, but he made furniture, and a lot of his couches are in Hard Rock cafes all over the United States and actually the world. And so we have some of them that are already cut out here, and you'll see them, and they will be online and live, so you can bid on them online. But just going to show you a few things here. You know, parts are so hard to get, and that's why we're doing this auction, is so that guys can come in and get these rare Cadillac parts. We have a lot of them for 59, 60, and mostly 59, but there's just an enormous amount of parts here, guys. And the parts are primarily all Cadillac. We're going to be starting off right away with the rear clips, and then we're going to go right to these cars here, go down the 59, so you're going to want to be on time. The auction starts at 9 in the morning on the 21st. This is a 53 Buick Skylark convertible, very rare car. Has a V8 block in it. Floors have been done. It's a solid car, and there is a lot of parts, but again, very rare. And this will be, all of these cars, again, are no reserve. Everywhere you look here, there's 59 Cadillac parts. This is a 48 Cadillac rolling body convertible, and there's a lot of parts to finish the restoration inside. I'd say it's about less the motor and trans, about 90% there. Over here, this is a really rare 1958 Cadillac Brougham, stainless steel top, tri-power V8, and has 37,000 original miles. And I'll have pictures up. I'm not going to uncover it here. The guy's got it covered up. But interior's original, blue and white leather, original car, really cool. And again, here's some of those couches that he's got already cut. We're going to be hitting it off right away, like I said, with them 59s. And a lot of these, we're going to be putting bumpers with them. We're going to be putting some grills on with them. They've already started putting some of the taillights on them. There are 50 1959s here. Most of them are four-door hardtops. They all generally need restoration or for project parts. He bought them because he made furniture out of them. And if you are into that, there's a lot of them here. Like I said, we have other makes and models. This is a Dodge Coronet, and pretty neat. There is a 59 convertible, or excuse me, 59. I think there is a convertible here. I haven't seen him yet, and a Coupe de Ville. But look at all those fins, and it goes on the other side. There's a lot of them. But the guys were working on cleaning everything up so that we can manipulate around here quite well. The sun's setting down here, And so I thought I'd just take a walk around. A lot of the really pretty parts are going to be moved here, but they are not here yet. We have a lot of stainless, huge amount. Like I said, there's more of those rear clips that are cut for couches. There's also 59 limos, 55, 56, 58, 60, 61s, just an enormous amount of Cadillacs. You can see them all over back there. Right now we're going to be moving things around because we kind of got a cluster in the middle. But the 59s will all be sold right towards the beginning. And you can see the guys have been adding taillights, different things there. We'll take a walk around here again. But again, like I said, we'll let you strip the parts and take what you need if you don't want to take the whole car, and we'll take care of it after that. Here's a rear clip that would work for a 59. Lincoln, there's quite a few Lincolns here. This is where we're going to be selling the parts. A lot of them will be down here and also around the outside. Here's some more rear clips. They'll be right at the beginning, and they will be offered online and live. So if you are into art and want to make furniture, they're already cut for you. Bumpers, look at all of them. Enormous amount of 59 bumpers. This is one of the most impressive things I've seen. Look at all the 59 grills. I mean, how many? I mean, that's crazy. We have over, the guys told me that we have almost, they figure 70 grills for 59s. There's a lot of doors and fenders. And again, these are pretty dry parts. Motors. Every inch of this property is being utilized. There's a Cardinal in the background. More Cadillacs down here. We have them rode up all the way as far as you can see. I just found out that out in the swamps down here, they have a lot of oil production down here. And in the swamps, they have alligators down here. Besides lots of fun snakes and big spiders. But when you're working with old cars, that's kind of comes with the territory. But Rick bought these all over Texas, Oklahoma, Colorado, Arizona, down in this area. There are some Cadillac sedanettes here. Supposed to get about 30 tonight. I can't believe that. But it goes all the way back into here. Just lots of cars, guys. Again, these parts on these Cadillacs are really hard to find. And so we have one entire room of tail lights and garnishes, and that'll all be after the cars. Hey Linda, how you doing? Cut across here. The late model vehicles in the back are not being sold. This is one of those sedanettes. Rare car. So again, we want to see you down in Longview, Texas on April 21st. All the vehicles will go right away. Then after that, we're going to sell parts. And if we're not done with the parts on that particular day, then we will carry over to Sunday morning at 9 a.m. and finish them up. But a lot of really high demand stuff here, guys, for parts. I can't show you all of it because it's in another location. All right, well, it looks like the sun's going down and time for me to head to the hotel. But remember, on March 24th up by Mansfield, South Dakota, is the Alan Reitz Farm Auction. And that'll start at 10 a.m. with four-wheel drive tractors, tillage, planting equipment, also tools. That'll be starting off with the tools. And then the 28th, we're going to be selling 73.2 acres of farm ground by Minnehaha County by Brandon, South Dakota, minutes from Sioux Falls, and that has tillable pasture and also 3 housing or building options on there that'll go with that. It will be sold as a whole. We are not splitting it up. And so if you're looking to build, what I encourage you to do is come to the auction, and if a farmer or another gentleman is buying, team up with them, see if they will sell off a piece after the fact. May 19th, we're going down to Stillwater, Oklahoma to sell the Richard Tubby Houston collection. There's about 200 and some vehicles down there for project parts and rod. And Tubby never came home. It was his goal to come home every day with something on his trailer, and he definitely did it. There's a very cool B-Mac down there that's complete with all the trim. June 8th at 4 p.m. during the preview for the Mopar auction, the Alan Reitz Mopar auction, we'll be selling approximately 90 guns and holsters and things. That is the Alan Reitz gun collection. That is online now on my website. And then the next day, we're going to start at 9, I believe, for the Reitz Mopar auction. About 100 Mopars and parts. A lot of parts. I'll be loading those up, and that catalog will be getting posted. We'll have to take new pictures after the 10 inches of snow that was there last week is gone. And I'm sure it will be by this weekend. June 16th, we're going to be down in Kansas, outside of Kansas City, kind of by the racetrack, for Ron Clemens collection, and we have a 1966 Coronet, one of 136 with a 426 Hemi. Also rat rods, beautiful NCRS judged and rated 64 Corvette, 57 Chevy wagon, just a really cool stuff. Also high performance parts, memorabilia, and more. July 21st is a Ford collection, the Rush collection down in Iowa. August 25th is a big GM muscle auction in Michigan, and that will be amazing Chevelles, Camaros, Corvettes, big block stuff, lots of it. But there's also a lot of Fords, 33 Ford Coupe, 40 Coupe, and street rod stuff, flathead stuff. So if you are a hot rod builder or a muscle guy, you don't want to miss that. We're also going to be adding more auctions after that. So stay tuned. If you're looking to sell your collection, we'd love to work with you. And anyway, we first want to see you down here at the farm sale, and then the land sale, and then come on down to Texas. And again, all of these vehicles will be online, and some of the parts, but the majority of the parts you will have to be here in person. We have 59 Cadillac convertible parts that will be online, a convertible top, along with other things. So with that, I am going to head out, and we'll walk our way out of here. Start back up tomorrow. One of the things I'm doing right now is trying to figure out my lineup. I've gotten to this point, and now what do I do with the middle, or do I keep going around the back? So tomorrow I'll finish that up, and then it's home for the weekend. So we'll see you later, guys. Bye.